Let's bring in Fred Fleitz if we can. Fred, you're the former National Security Council Chief of Staff. You've also been a CIA analyst. You've had quite the career, but I want to ask you about this issue. Is the president right to be critical of the World Health Organization and being China-centric? Is he right?
Actually, he's exactly right. Let me point out that in the 114-year history of this organization, it goes back to the League of Nations, Tedros is the only non-medical doctor to head this organization. African states thought it was their turn to head it. China put in strong support. And instead of holding China accountable for its lies and deceptions about this virus, which caused it to turn into a pandemic, Tedros, who likes to be called Dr. Tedros, I might add, he has a PhD in global health, decided to attack the United States and President Trump. This guy has to get out, and we need an accountable international health organization to be created.
We should also mention just the role that China played in this, their initial denials, their cover-ups. They wouldn't give health officials with the WHO access to China. It was a complete snow job, but will they ever be held accountable?
They're not going to be held accountable as long as Tedros heads this organization. He knew very well that China wasn't cooperating and what was going on in Wuhan, but he was more interested in protecting China and to not stopping travel from China, between China and other nations. It was outrageous, and I think the president was exactly right to threaten to withhold funds.
And how important are those funds to the WHO? Our reporter Hilary Vaughan just said that China chips in just 2%, but clearly they were steering the health organization from the very beginning. So what impact could it have if we just, freeze the funding?
It'll have a big effect. And it's worth noting that the reason that Africa wanted to have this, or the head of this organization, China did, is because the World Health Organization directs huge amounts of funds and grants to nations worldwide. It also has all kinds of jobs in the organization. So I think it's more than just fronting for China by Tedros. I think there's enormous corruption in the World Health Organization. This is an opportunity to tackle that.
I mean, I was just looking at some of the stats. It wasn't until March 11th that the health organization, WHO, would declare an actual pandemic. In fact, January 22nd, they denied there was any reason to declare an international health emergency. It feels like they completely bungled this.
Yes. Around January 20th, there was a board within the World Health Organization that wanted to declare this World Health emergency, but Tedros resisted because he was using data from China that he must have known was wrong. Other members of the World Health Organization, other staff, they knew this, but Tedros dragged his feet and cost the world vital time that may have stopped this crisis.
Yeah. And maybe lives at the same time. Fred Fleitz, thank you so much for joining us, Fred. Much appreciate your input today. Thank you.
Good to be here. Thank you.